everyone, welcome back. So today I'm showing you my no shoe clothing hack, mostly shirts. I have a lot of them, so I'm just going to show you this and one other. So I'm using this dress shirt, the regular dress shirt. It has a bit of slit at the side, and all you need for this tutorial is just two safety pins, small ones. You can get a bit smaller than this, and then just a cord. You can use a ribbon if you don't have this kind of cord to use for this tutorial. So I'm notice that my shirt has double cover. It's not the usual, so it works for shirt like this, and of course shirt that don't have a coverage. But I'm just going to show you that it's possible to do it in the shirt with the buttonholes. You just need to do it at the side. That's probably why you need a very small safety pin and then cord. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be working on the top part of this shirt, which makes more sense since there's two there. So first of all, I'm just going to use a scissors to cut a bit of hole at the inside. This hole is not going to reflect at the outside because this change is not going to be obvious. It's something that I can always remove and put back. It's a hack that don't create any permanent stuff to the shirts. I hope you understand that. So that's what I did. Now I'm just going to count 3 buttons from the top and then open another hole at the top part. So same with the down part, there's no reflection at the front, which is very important. So next thing, I'm just going to get the cord, look through the safety pin, and then pass it through the down or up to the come out from the top opening. So this is it. I'm bringing it out just a bit, and then I'm just going to secure it with the safety pin on the inside. And you have to pin it down in a way that it will really reflect on the outside. So that's just a trick to doing this. As you can see, now this has become a drawstring that can easily be adjusted to any length and shape you want. And to be extra helpful, I'm just going to show you how it's possible to do this on shirt with buttonholes. So you just put it into the opening and then pass it through the sides of the buttonhole. Because that's what I'm doing right now. You see that it's passing. So it doesn't matter if the shirt has buttonholes, and you can do so. Just pass it through the side as far as the safety pin is small. Now the second step, which is the last step, is to just scan the 3 buttons, of course, from the other side, and then secure this cord from the inside so that this safety pin will not show on the outside. But you can actually still secure it from the outside. I just prefer to do it from the inside. Next is just to wear it and then use the drawstring and secure it at the side like this, and you have a stylish clothes to rock whenever you're going out somewhere and you feel like switching things up. I think this is a very easy way to do that. Now on to the easiest one you can do, and I feel this one is like, as it's almost as if you're not doing anything. You just need to secure the safety pin on the two sides of the front. Just measure 2 inch from the down or 3 inch depend. And next you just use the cord to secure it after crossing the front. On this one, I think I'll recommend a longer cord. Like this cord is 21 inch. You can make it at least maybe 30 or 40, or ribbon. It's easier to put on by yourself when the cord is longer. So you just cross it and then adjust it at the back with the cord. So this is both of them. This is something you can easily do just to up your shared game. So please, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe before you leave. Bye for now.